have been obsessed with this book here lately. It's 100 Million Leads by Alex Hormozi. And there is one thing that he repeatedly says over and over again in the book that explains why he's had the success that he's got. And I'm going to break that down for you in this video and tell you how you can follow the same steps in your business. Now, I'd like to stress I'm not affiliated at all. There's no benefit for me sharing this with you and raving about this book. I genuinely love it. You can see how many sticky notes I've put in the top here. I've highlighted pages, things that I'm going to come back to time and time again to utilize in my business. One thing that keeps cropping up multiple times across all different themes in this book is that his success always comes down to analyzing his numbers. In fact, he even says it here. Now, if you don't believe me, if you've got this book, page 158 there, he says, I've been very successful with paid ads, but it wasn't because I was the most creative or had the best copy. It was because I knew the numbers. Knowing your numbers is referred to as financial management. And the beauty about your numbers is that they will be telling you a story. They will be pointing out what is working in your business and what isn't working in your business. And to build a successful business, you need to take the things that are working and are delivering your results and replicate them, or in the words of Alex Hormozi, you 10x them. Now, you know that they are working in your business. You've seen it in the numbers. You have got proven results that this action delivers results in your business. So it's a no-brainer to replicate this and invest more money into it to grow your business. And you take the things that aren't working and you decide to cut them out your business, or you fix them. Now, repeatedly, I get businesses coming to me, or I see on online forums and even on YouTube, is people saying, what is the ideal profit that I should make? Or what is the ideal conversion rate that I should get from this advert? And simply, more than yesterday is all you need to be aiming for in your business. You just need to be better every single day. That is how you build a highly successful business. And to implement this in your business, you need to just adopt the methodology called PDCA, or Plan, Do, Check, Act. So when you're implementing PDCA in your business, you plan what you're going to do and you write down what you want to achieve from this. What does success look like? Then you implement it in your business. Then you check. So you need to look back at the numbers and analyze the results. What did happen? Did you achieve the goal that you set out to achieve? And then you take action. If you achieved the goal that you set out to achieve, then you replicate this. You 10x it. If not, you fix it. And you keep repeating the cycle. And every single time you are aiming to be better than last time or better than yesterday. And if you keep making these tiny incremental improvements in your business, then it will lead to a highly successful and profitable business. You're never aiming to do something for the first time and it be perfect. You do something, you get something out there because anything is better than nothing, and then you aim to improve it by using the numbers and using the analysis to drive your decision making. Now, don't just take my word for it when it comes to the numbers. Not only is it in this book written in English by Alex Hormozi, many other successful entrepreneurs also preach about the importance of knowing your numbers. Rob Moore, Tony Robbins, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Stephen Bartlett, and even businessman Greg Wallace in the UK. These are all highly successful entrepreneurs that are known for repeatedly talking about their success being down to knowing their numbers and taking decisive action to drive those numbers in the right direction. And if you would like some help understanding the numbers in your business, knowing exactly what to track to guarantee success, understanding what your numbers are telling you, and also being comfortable with making the right decision that will drive those numbers in the right direction, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, because that is exactly what all of my videos are about.